Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Today I'm going to share with you the 3 new Wet n Wild products that I picked up over Black Friday weekend. These are the Hello Halo Blush Lighters. I purchased the 3 different shades that they had available at CVS. This first one is called After Sex Glow, and it's a really pretty peachy blush and a gold tone highlighter there. The next one I picked up is called Highlight Bling, and I am going to do some swatches of these. This highlighter is more of like maybe a silver tone platinum highlighter. Really pretty. They look really nice. And then the last one I got is called Flash Me, and this of course is more of a pink toned, berry tone color. Now, when I went into CVS to look for these, they were not in the usual Wet n Wild section. As I walked into the store, I was looking around and I went in purposely to look for these because I couldn't find them at Walgreens. So I was looking around, I was a little bummed because I didn't see them. And then as I was on my way to the cash register to pay, I looked up and on the shelf were these 3 only. So it's meant to be that I was able to purchase the 3 different shades that Wet n Wild made in these blush lighters. So that's a tip for you guys. Whenever you go in to CVS, even into Walgreens, and you're looking for new items, look up, because they have a lot of displays on top, on the very, very top of the shelves. And sometimes we're looking down, we're looking eye level. We don't even think to glance up. But I've noticed that at several different CVS stores that I've gone to these last few months, they have a lot of the good stuff on the top shelf, the very, very top of the shelf. So that's just a tip for you guys. If you're out looking for the latest and greatest in drugstore makeup, always look up. I'm going to insert a picture of some swatches in natural sunlight. That way you guys can see how they look on my skin tone. These Wet n Wild blush lighters retail for $6.49 at CVS, but I was able to pick them up for $5.15 each because of a coupon I had. So that's a great thing about shopping at Walgreens and CVS is you can always use coupons, and sometimes at CVS you can get extra bucks back whenever you purchase certain makeup brands. All right, so let's start playing with these new Wet n Wild blush lighters. So the first one that I'm gonna go in with is After Sex Glow, and this is a very pretty, a light peachy color with a gold highlight. So I'm gonna take a little angled brush. The blush itself looks like it has some shimmer in it, so I'm gonna see how this goes. I don't mind if the blush has a little bit of shimmer. I actually like that. I can see the shimmer, and it's a light wash of color. It's nothing too drastic, and it is blending out really well. Let's see, let me pick up a little bit more. Okay, what do you guys think? I think it's a nice, very luminous blush. If you're more into the matte formulas for blush, then I don't know that this is going to be for you. Now I'm gonna go in with the highlighter that's in here, and let's see how that's gonna work. Wet n Wild makes some of my favorite highlighters, and wow, this is beautiful. Ooh, that is a nice highlight. For me, Wet n Wild always gets it right when it comes to highlighter. They just have a really great formula that really stands out on that cheekbone. And I am loving this combination. Whoa, you see that? That is awesome. I live for a blinding highlight, and this is not disappointing at all. All right, so this is After Sex Glow. What do you guys think? I love it. I think the shade is nice. I love the color of the highlighter. it went on really well, and I think it's a good match for my skin tone as well. Ooh, love it, love it, love it. Now on the left side of my face, I'm gonna go in with Highlight Bling. This is a little more peachy, rosy toned, and to me that highlighter looks a little more platinum, a little more with a hint of silver in it. So let's go ahead, let me dust off my blush brush. Let me dip into the blush. There's a little bit of hiccup when you go in, so just be careful. Pick up a little bit more. I feel like this one has more payoff as soon as you place it on your cheek versus the first one. This is really pretty. I'm liking the shade of it. All right, what do you guys think? This one is called Highlight Bling. It looks really nice. I think it looks almost like After Sex Glow. What do you all think? Now let's dive into the highlighter. Yeah, that does have definitely more of a silver platinum undertone to it. Still very pretty. And Wet n Wild just really knows how to do it with these highlighters. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good. I'm happy. I'm so happy with these two so far. After Sex Glow, Highlight Bling. Now for the last one, this is a little deeper in color. This one is called Flash Me. So you are getting a deeper rose color, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer this. I'm gonna place it on both of my cheeks. You have a lot of pigmentation there on the brush. Oh yeah, that really shows up. So I can totally see this one being the better choice for a deeper skin tone. Somebody who has a nice tan going on as well. Wish I had some more color to me than what I have right now, but it's the winter time. Ooh, that's really nice. Let me do the other side. Now the one thing I want to mention about, ooh, wow, let me tap some of that off. The one thing I want to mention about blushes that have like a shimmer to them is anything, and actually anything that has a shimmer to it, it is going to accentuate your pores. It is going to accentuate those little fine lines, the texture that is on your skin, because it is a highlight. It has some kind of shimmer in it, which naturally accentuates, unfortunately, the blemishes on our skin. But for me, I know I have large pores in here and I have large pores on my nose. I personally overlook it because I love highlight and I love blushes that have a shimmer, a sheen to them. And like I'm all for the Bling highlighter. So I don't let that bother me. But if you're one who absolutely does not want to accentuate any kind of blemish or area that you're not too fond of on your face, then these kind of shimmer blushes are probably not going to be best suited for you. Just giving you a heads up there. But man, I love this. Ooh, this color looks so nice, layered, just lightly stippled over the cheeks. This one is called Flash Me. Now let me add, the highlight looks like it might be a little dark. It might leave a little cast on my skin, but we'll see. Let me pick up a little bit of that. And I'm gonna try placing it on my chin. I haven't done anything there. Do a little nose highlight. This is a nice, pretty, it kind of even has maybe like a little hint of pink in it. Let's see, Let me try doing a little bit right up here. And I am all blinged out. A little bit in here. I'm going to take a little bit of the highlight shade in Flash Me, and I'm going to use that as a brow bone highlight because I purposely didn't put anything on my brow bone so that I could try this there. And since this has a little hint of pink to it, I think it would look really nice with the eye look. Using your highlighter as a brow bone highlight is a great way to really just pull the entire look together, make it cohesive. All right, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I used all 3 of the new Wet n Wild Hello Halo blush lighters. And just to recap, the 3 shades that I picked up were Flash Me, After Sex Glow, and Highlight Bling. These do retail for $6.49 at CVS, but of course, if you have coupons, use them. So that way you can save a little bit of money. Now, these are a new item. They are available only in store right now. I have not seen them online yet, and I have not seen them in other stores, but I am pretty sure that these should be coming to the Wet n Wild website pretty soon, and hopefully to Walmart and Target and Ulta and anywhere and everywhere that they sell Wet n Wild. So I am definitely going to give these guys a thumbs up. I absolutely love Wet n Wild products. I love their highlighters, and these blush lighters did not disappoint. I know I am going to get a lot of wear out of them. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. Leave me a comment, guys. Give me a thumbs up. What did you think about this video? What did you think about the new Wet n Wild blush lighters? Is this something that you are going to be picking up? Sound off below. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated. Cheers, drink your water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.